The average age of a shop owner today is 58, probably going up. We are seeing some younger people come in, but there's a lot of us guys that have been around for quite a long time, started in the 70s, 80s, 60s. What's the difference? We see shops every day that get sold for pennies on the dollar. How do I create more value? Can I create more value?
Every industry that ever existed develops its own culture. And the older guys that are, I hate to say at our age that you're talking about, right? We've lived in the old culture. I want to say old. It's just the traditional culture that has been built for years. Lately, last 10 to 15 years, certain factors that affect our industry have been changing. And there's a whole list of things, not the least of which is our age and wanting to get out. But the world is changing. The customers are changing. What it takes to bring in talent, especially the younger ones, is changing. And it means that we have to look at our business differently. The more senior people in our industry, like us, who've been around for a while, have this option so that they can decide to stay the way they've been and quietly exit, or look forward and say, not necessarily that I want to stay and play, but I better get this thing ready so that it succeeds in the future for the people that I hand it to. Now, depending on how you hand it to people, if it's an owner finance transaction to a key employee, you better set them up for success or you're going to get this thing back in later retirement.